Welcome to the 24/7 Smart Shop, the latest in unattended retailing technology. The consumer approaches the Smart Shop, presents debit card, credit card or Apple Pay.
Please choose the desired product.
Cards approved, and the consumer then can open the Smart Shop door. The consumer is then free to select any products from the Smart Shelf. As an illustration, I'll select the pot noodle. Charge there. I'll select the cottage pie, which, like the shopping cart, is then added. I've then, after consideration, decide I don't want the cottage pie, so I return it into the Smart Shop and it deducts it from the total. So I'm finished my shop. The consumer then closes the Smart Shop door and it's charged to the consumer's card.